Howdy. Today I'm changing the oil on this L200. It's a DID Mitsubishi. To change the oil and the filter, you could either take out the filter from down here, or you could take it out from up here by removing this hose so that you'd get access to the fuel filter. Once you loosen that, you would get out this little, trying to work and flame at the same time. You take out this little hose, I got off the hose and I use this to slacken the filter. So now I would be moving the filter by hand. Which I've changed that the oil and the filter sometime last week, but the oil was so black that the owner decided to do another change. The filter is out. There's certain things you need two hands for. This is the filter. And to take out the drain plug, you need a 17, which I've slackened already. Yay! This is the drain plug here. Getting ready to replace the filter. You need to take some clean oil and put it around the O-ring. And this is the part number. This is the old filter. This is the new filter. And this is the oil. You also have to clean the surface where the filter is going before you fit it in. I'll be placing the filter. I got a new oil filter in, so I would be putting this in place. And putting this back here. Now to change the air filter, all you need is these 1, 2, 3, 4, and you lifting this up. But I've changed the air filter already. So now I'll be securing this hose, putting the clamps back. I've put the plug back, and now I will be topping it up with oil. Unfortunately, I won't be able to start it until I get the diesel filter tomorrow. So I'm going at the top to put the oil. This is the oil I took out of it. And now Okay, and this is it for this video. I won't be able to check it because the fuel filter was the wrong one. So tomorrow when I do get the fuel filter, I'll start it up and do a checkup. Next I have to do is flush the transmission line. That's why I haven't put back the radiator guard yet.